Hello everyone, my name is Matt and welcome back to another video. In today's video I want to give you a tour of our apartment here in Nanjing. This is actually the 5th apartment that I've rented in Nanjing. It's my 7th place if you include the 2 places that I lived in that were provided by my employer. The current place is pretty good, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. It's got a big living room area, nice sized kitchen. The area we live in is a bit older, but yeah, it's a nice place. If you guys are interested in any of the other apartment tours that I have on my channel, you can go check them out. This is the 4th video I've made of my apartments. So yeah, at the end of the video, I will tell you guys how much it costs and all the different, bills, how much they cost and everything. So stick around to the end of the video for that. And yeah, let's go check out this apartment. All right, let's check out this place. So when you walk in, here's the main layout. Let's see, dining room and living room, and there are 3 bedrooms. Master bedroom, that is our daughter's bedroom, and there's a 3rd bedroom there I'll show you in a second, and there are 2 bathrooms. There's one there and one in the master bedroom. Let's go check out the kitchen first. Got a little bit small, but not tiny refrigerator. You can see the layout of the kitchen. Yeah, it's pretty, I mean, it's not a small kitchen, but it's not big by any means. Gotta put the trash can on the counter, otherwise our daughter will make a mess. There is floor heating, so this is to heat the floor. And stuff for our daughter. And yeah, pretty standard kitchen. And I'll show you the 3rd bedroom first. Keep this bedroom locked. So when my mother and father-in-law come here, this is where they stay, but we're in the process of moving right now, so it's kind of just like a storage room. You can see it's a decent sized room actually. I think it's probably a twin size bed, I believe. And here's one of the bathrooms. So it's a full bathroom. There's a shower. The washing machine is in here. This is the nursery, daughter's room. Right now she sleeps with me on the floor. I'm not willing to sleep alone right now. And yeah, this was like a teenager's bedroom before I moved in. So it's a decent sized room actually, not tiny. Let's go see the 3rd bedroom, the master bedroom. So yeah, this is by far the largest bedroom. It's right up against like a little hill. So I kind of got a decent amount of privacy here. And then our bathroom is quite small. There's a cat in here. Hey, Louie. You can see. Shower. Bye-bye, Louie. We got more cabinets, cupboards, and closets here. And this is the dining room. And living room. And our daughter is enjoying her 30 minutes a day of Miss Rachel. And yeah, there's no central air, so we have like a big air conditioning unit here. It's pretty standard in China. Most people don't have central heating. And then here is the sunroom. There's some cabinets and stuff out here as well. Yeah, so that's the whole place. This place is 110 square meters. All right, now let me tell you about how much everything costs. So our rent here is 5,800 RMB, which is about 860 US dollars. It's a bit more expensive than our last place, but we have an extra bedroom. I don't think the location's quite as nice as the last place we're in because we're on the river, but it's got 3 bedrooms, it's a little bit bigger. So this place is 110 square meters, so it's a tad bigger than the last place. Electricity is about, well, it's about 130 to 140 RMB a month, which is it's like $20, 20 US dollars a month. Water is about 100 RMB a month. That's like $15 a month. And gas, we have heated floors, so they use gas to heat the water that runs in these pipes underneath the floor to heat the place. So that's the most expensive part. It's about 660 RMB a month, like $100 a month. But the winter is when it gets expensive. But we pay like every half year or something. So Xiao told me that it was total since we've been here, the last 5 months was 3,300 RMB, which is about 660 RMB a month. So yeah, like $100 a month, so not too bad. We pay for a parking spot, even though we don't have a car, because my father-in-law comes from Monday to Wednesday, and that is like 300 RMB a month. It's like $50 something a month. So not too bad. Yeah, that is how much it costs. It's obviously way more affordable than living in a US city or a European city. And even though I said the location is not very good, we're still really close to a bunch of really nice parks, right next to a metro station that takes us downtown. You can check out the other videos on my channel. You can see where we are. Still a really good location, just the neighborhood's a bit older. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Blow kiss.